cat. It's a good cat.
What's up, Skio?
It's a good dog.
A good boy. We are taking the axles off of the E28's subframe.
Kind of in progress. What's Yeah, got these cool friggin' pinch weld roll-arounds. But
yeah, that's the only way I could think of keeping the rear end supported while taking out the subframe.
that's fair. Still working on getting that CUE axle layout.
All these bolts are caked in from being outside for the last 20 years. But everything seems to come right off. Oh,
Nice.
it's just like that. It's like it hasn't been in there for its whole life.
I go up there one time and he gets a really bad idea.
I've never seen inside of that truck, but I'm actually curious.
It's gonna jump across.
I wouldn't do it.
Well, Sky's gonna do it for you then.
He's gonna push up the ladder and underneath it. It's gonna happen.
What do you think, Sky? Pretty crazy, huh?
Is the next button the scan button?
Yeah.
Planning on sandblasting most of this stuff, but we're trying to come up with some sort of idea to make sure we protect any media from getting inside. Got a couple of different ideas, but
So we've acquired a new weight.
damn. Getting built.
Oh yeah. I think they're original axles.
I would assume so. Interesting design.
They haven't failed yet. The only thing that's failed is the rubber after. Who knows how long it's been on for.
I like how it's driven though. Got like the little notches drives on. I haven't really pulled apart many axles, so I don't know how it compares, but
No, I'm used to like front wheel drive cars with CVs where it's just
yeah, with the spline.
That's what I'm used to.
See, what drives that is more so the bolts. This is what spins from a
I
spline
think
inside
I
there.
think that's a nice design though. I think that's more rugged.
Yeah,
agree.
a lot of rear ends are kind of built like that.
A lot easier to line up too.
Yeah, mine just kind of looked like a cup though. It didn't have those cool looking grooves and
It is
stuff.
crazy to think this is as simple as just bolts instead of having to fight with different angles to get the thing out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I hate that.
I hate that.
I hate
trying to
doing
get
my
a
CVs.
CV axle in or out.
Junk.
Like getting
dude.
them out, at least you can be aggressive because you're replacing them. But like getting them in, now you're trying to be careful not to mar anything up.
Yeah. Yep, so we're gonna pull this outside now and we're gonna hit it with the pressure washer. We're gonna leave this side on so that we can mitigate water going inside the diff.
Not
We
bad.
have a plug on this side. No, height-wise, you got a long ways.
There you go. Try that.
I'll help you out.
Oh no, it's like got like the smallest amount of wood. Hold on. Hey, oh.
Yeah.
Here, you want to switch places with Dakota?
I'm gonna come to the front.
What's that noise?
Dog's in the car.
Oh, the dog's in the car.
The dog is in the car.
There we go. Now it should slide off.
What's the dog doing?
Looks like this is
Damn. Open the door.
You can never look away from your load, Dakota.
As you open the door. Alright, then stop it. We don't need to let all the heat out. There you go.
I think that sucks so bad to get back inside.
Not if you drag it.
Alright, shut the door, Mr. Vince. Alright, shut the door. Going outside. I'm gonna turn on the That's probably pretty good.
It's not bad. Better than it was. Yeehaw.
Initiate the first pull.
Swapped out the throttle position sensor on the meter beam because, well, there's two positions in here. When you'd open it up to the wide open throttle position, it just wouldn't read anything.
That's not what you want.
I got this from Germany. It's a Hazard. Extendable.
Mm.
It's rated for 700 foot-pounds of torque.
Not bad.
And has it supposedly to snap on to Germany. Actually, I used that in the South Korean bolts out.
Open the door.
All good enough. Now my hearing's gone.
Yeah.
What are
Got the
those?
chrome-plated Craftsman 3s.
Damn, bro, that shit's fresh. Looks like reps.
We're gonna hopefully start getting some more progress done. We got one axle off, one more to go. We've pressure washed it, tried it. Put some oil on the inside of here so it doesn't rust.
Not bad.
They get the axle off, the control arms, the differential, and sandblast everything. Here on it. Come on, baby. Give me the penetrating oil.
In the worst case, we let it soak for a little bit.
Dude, I knew one of these was gonna actually be rusty, for real. I mean, I'm definitely losing torque through this. So.
Could try and get that. There it is.
Round.
Now you could probably use that adapter. There you go.
Dude, that thing was
Came with it.
fucking stubborn. I'm gonna be safe and just hammer these all in.
Round 2. There it goes.
Hell yeah.
Lick a club. If you want, at some point I can bring my puller to take those out if you want, but
Yeah.
I just have to go to work and grab it at some point.
No, it's alright. The control arm's now out of the car. Axle's gone. I took the brake off. Brake is still on here. That's gone now. And check out these bushings down here. They are just gone.
Dude, those are amazing, dude. They're brand new. Look at them.
They're gone. Dude, go show them on the table over there. The old bushings.
Which is part of J-Pro. J-Pro is about $4,000 a year.
Man, that's an alien.
The music video is pretty good as well.
Look at me, Sam. I'm such a fucking mechanic. Just like that.
Oh,
I'm gonna drop it. Stars, I stood up too quickly.
Whoa, whoa.
Never does it.
We'll be back in the car before we know it. 3.25 LSD.
Yeah, we're just gonna. We're gonna back up now. I'm a little too tall for this.
Sam, do we even fit in this parking garage?
No, we don't.
Maybe this is the compact station?
You're about up against the wall.
We're definitely going to touch that wall. Oh, there we are.
Space we move.
Yeah, that's good.